In this video, we will learn how to solve problem when BitLocker option is not showing for removable drives. Let's go to this PC first. Insert pendrive for which you want to turn on BitLocker. You can see here turn on BitLocker is not showing. And here in drive tools, BitLocker is inactive. Now go to start and type cmd. Click on open to open command prompt. Type this part and press enter. Now type list disk and press enter. Check size of disk to find out which one is pendrive. Here disk 1 is pendrive. So we will type select disk 1 and press enter. Now type list partition and press enter. Type select partition 1 and press enter. Now type inactive and press enter. Now let's exit all these. Eject pendrive again. Now insert it again. Right click on it. Now you can see turn on BitLocker is showing up. That's all. Subscribe the channel, like and share this video.